Meaning of externally.
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 Externally. The term externally refers to something that is situated outside of a particular entity or system. For example, an external factor could refer to a force or influence that originates from outside an organization or individual. In general, the concept of external refers to something that is separate or distinct from the subject itself. This can be contrasted with internal factors, which pertain to the inner workings of a system or entity. Understanding external factors can be important for analyzing and optimizing performance, as they can have significant impacts on outcomes.